Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we apply snapshot picture layout in the picture that we have imported in Microsoft Excel. So to do that, just select the picture and then you have to click on format. An option will be there that is picture layout. In this picture style group, just click on that. Now just after clicking here, the second last option that we have is snapshot picture list. If you keep your cursor over there, then you can see the actual effect on your picture, and if you want to apply, then you can select it and it will be applied. Now basically it's divided into two parts, the picture and this text portion. So if you want to enter any text, then you should enter here and the text, or you can click on this arrow and you can write the text like I'm writing. Now if you want to add any pictures here, then you can enter and you can add more pictures. Write again and enter, then you can add more pictures. Now if you want to edit this text, then select it and use this font group to apply the settings. And same as for image, you should use this format group and apply the border or any effect. You can select the text or you can move it where you want. Similarly, you can select the picture and move it wherever you want. Okay guys, so this was snapshot picture layout guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.